like to say, photos tell a story of our life. So all of the photos I've taken personally with my own phone has somewhat talks about part of my life, part of my expression, part of my deep feeling and analysis. So I wanted to share it to the world for them to witness and see it. Of course, some people may judge, some people may have their own opinion. I welcome everything. For me, the only thing is, as I always like to say, how the Japanese Zen believe, when they set up the ikebana, flower arranging, or the these plant arranging, they always say it's not about others' opinion, it's about your inner core opinion. So I believe in my inner core opinion most, because that's like a plant, like a tree, like the water that flows. Our body, our life force, our element is still living and thriving like a alive plant, like a water that runs through the streams of the most deepest end of the world, in the most small space holes of a mountain or a rock formation. Just like that, I always believe, always don't just survive, thrive as much as you can. That is what I believe in. So I hope that anyone who also witnesses and watches my photography, I hope you enjoy it and you get somewhat of a taste of what I'm trying to tell the story. Thank you very much.